Hello everyone, this is the Deeper Connect Pico Live. Um, I'm making this short video since there is no updated videos of this product right now when you search around for it. And we'll be posting in review of this in a later date when we actually have some time spending on this. As for the shipment, it arrived to me in like 2 days, so it was pretty fast shipment and it came in through Blue Dot. So was in one piece, and as you can see the box was pretty undamaged and completely new as it should have been. The box itself looks pretty good, and in order to open it you just need to push it through this cover first and then let it open. Now inside the box you have the Deeper Connect Pico itself uh, shrugged inside with its antenna on the top. Watch out when you are removing it, of course, since the bottom half doesn't have a cover. So pick it out separately when you're doing it, so and don't drop it. So this is the antenna which you just connect to it using USB 2.0 or USB-A, and they also provided an adapter where you can convert a Type-C adapter to a USB-A. This can come in handy when you are trying to provide power to the Pico box using the Type-C cable they have given. The Type-C cable is both sides Type-C, and they also given a LAN cable so you can connect your modem to the Pico and then the Pico to your PC or your Wi-Fi router. It also came in with a QR code box with a quick soft top guide which you can scan using your mobile. Okay, so you have one Ethernet port which is your primary input, and then a Type-C for power and a USB-A for your antenna. The antenna you can just plug it in, and then we'll go into plugging in the Ethernet ports and the power cable for it. So here we have all the stuff we need. We got a power adapter for give it power and stuff. I'm gonna just connect it to my PC. I'm gonna just connect the Type-C cable to my PC and then connect the Type-C cable to my Pico. This should power up the Pico, and the LAN cable light should come on the left side, and the Pico itself in the center will start having LED lighting up. Now I'm gonna remove my LAN cable connected directly to my PC. I'm gonna route it onto my Pico box. Now it's connected to the Pico box, and now I'm going to use the LAN cable they have provided, connected to the other side, and then connected to my PC. As you can see, the blinking blue light means it's still trying to connect, and then it will go into red after a while. And after it becomes red, it will check for connectivity, and then it goes green. It means it's connected and it's ready for use. Now on my desktop, we have to go to the browser and type in the code 11.22.33.54. This will open its portal where we can log into the Deeper Connect site. The default password and username is admin. After this, you need to just accept the terms and conditions by clicking on the links and then the privacy policy as well, and then click on it so it will let us in. A bit of a roundabout way to make us accept, but oh well. As soon as you log in, you are greeted with the Pico's main page where it shows how much the memory is getting used, the CPU being used, and all the connections that it's going through. On the right side, you can see any connection that's being used right now. And on the main page, you can see that I'm connected from India to different parts of the world. It shows where you are and everything else. Basically, this is your main page for it. And after that, if you go into VPN and modes, you can see that the Pico mode is set to automatic routing right now, so it will automatically route stuff whenever you need it. For instance, if you're watching Netflix and suddenly something is not working, it will automatically route it to an American server or somewhere else where the Netflix show you want to watch is blocked. And as for here, you can see all the blocking and controls that are going on. In parental controls, you can also do a block, so you can control what your child sees and keep them safe. And as what is, these are the certificates and stuff which you can download to make a site be secure or tell it it's secure. We also have other IP configurations, query configurations and stuff like that, which you can get into more, and we might post a video about that later on, but for now this is just a quick tutorial on how to just set it up. As for a DPN, as you can see, there are like multiples of these regions, but you can change them according to your need and info. Now let's see how to set up TIN Wi-Fi, because right now it is connected through LAN. In order to do that, you need to first disconnect deeper from the Ethernet cable you just connected it to, and after that you can see its Wi-Fi connection showing up on your PC. You just have to go in there and then type in the password I love deeper, which is the default password. Connect to it and then wait for it to connect and try logging in using the ID up top. It's 34.34.34.34. The username and password are still the same by default, admin. Log into the same settings page again and then go to Wi-Fi in the settings tab. And once we go into the Wi-Fi in the settings tab, you can see there is another option now, which is CAN. In this CAN option, you can connect to the home network or Wi-Fi network which you want to share the internet with. As you can see here, it's showing up all the networks in my area right now. We can use this to connect to the internet and then connect through the dongle to gain access to its changes. Hopefully this was useful, guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video after we use this for a bit and get a review about it, whether if it's worth getting or not. Thank you guys for watching.